Dear brother and sister engineers, every year membership drive by IRTSA used to be a gathering of office bearers followed by visiting a shop or office, meet the supervising engineers for membership and to have a brief interaction with them. Due to the COVID pandemic and lockdown for a longer period, last year we could not undertake the membership. As a similar situation prevailed, this year also it was proposed for online membership drive, which was well received by the beloved members and made it a grand success. There is no doubt that it happens due to the fullest cooperation and collective efforts of all office bearers. At the same time, this exhibits the faith and confidence and solidarity reposed upon IRTSA and its office bearers by the supervising engineers working in civil, mechanical, electrical, designs, CMT and stores. It makes the role of IRTSA office bearers more important and responsible in listening, addressing, resolving the issues wherever arises to the maximum extent possible manner. During the course of this membership drive, our respected Central President, respected General Secretary of IRTSA and many CDO leaders expressed their happiness, experiences and convey their congratulatory messages which were very inspirational. I thank them for the motivation and encouragement given to the office bearers as well as the younger generation. I thank all the office bearers, committee members and acting members for their participation in the novel movement. My special thanks to Engineer ORS Banerjee, our zonal treasurer, who has updated the payment details then and there and released the updated list in a regular interval, which ensures the total transparency and correctiveness. My special appreciation to Engineer E. Ramesh, Senior Vice President, ex-Staff Council member, who has innovative ideas, prepared videos in various occasions, which has earned a all-round applause and created interest and enthusiasm amongst all of us. Though IRTSA has many stalwarts and hardcore members and hundreds of staunch members, only their representatives could be displayed in the albums due to the limitations. Otherwise, each one of the IRTSA members are deserved to be applauded. I am sure IRTSA ICF is committed to continue its service to the supervising engineers with more and more devotion. Long live IRTSA, long live supervising engineers. Thank you.
Engineers Unity, long live.